What is 30% of 80% in fraction form in lowest term? Okay, so to solve this, all we have to do is write 30% in fraction form. So percent means divided by 100. So 30% means 30 over 100. So in fraction of means multiplication. So 30 over 100 times 80%, write this in fraction form. So we have 80 over 100. Then simplify, we can cancel the 0, 1 0 in the numerator and in denominator. Also, the same with 80 and 100, cancel 0. So we have 3 over 10 times 8 over 10. So multiply the numerator, 3 times 8, that is equal to 24. And then 10 times 10 equals 100. So wala sa choices kasi pwede pa itong isimplify. 24 and 100, they are both divisible by 4. So divide both by 4. So therefore, the final answer is equal to 24 divided by 4, that is equal to 6, and 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25. Letter A is the correct answer. Follow for more.